Bob. Ooh, tight on that corner. So hot. Ooh. Hey guys, welcome to my first video. I just wanted to use this video as a bit of an explainer about all the content that I'm going to be creating and what you guys are going to get out of it, and just a little bit of an outline really. I'm currently on my way to Poldice in Cornwall. There's my local trails, some big jumps. Conditions seem absolutely perfect. It's not that windy, and that's obviously really important if you're hitting jumps. And the sun is shining. It's very warm. I've got my window shut on the car at the moment and it is absolutely roasting, and I'm wearing a long sleeve t-shirt, so I'm gonna have to swap that out, and hopefully I've got a short sleever in the back. But I'm just on my way over now, and I'll pull up and get the bike off and then go up to the trails and see what's cooking. So I just arrived at Poldice. Weather's absolutely beautiful. Bike's in the background. Just gonna get my gear on and then head on up to the trail. So see you in a bit. Let's go. So yeah, it's probably worth mentioning that I'm not super skilled with this. Well, it's my first vlog, so it's gonna take some work. Like the whole talking to camera thing, I feel pretty awkward. Just talking to the camera like this is fine, but with my face on camera is something else. I think it's because I'm so used to being behind the camera. I freelance as a videographer, so I'm very used to that, but talking to the camera is something else that I'm going to have to get used to. But for a first try, we'll see how it goes. I'm just riding along to Poldice now. Lovely day for it. Best day we've had in ages. A little woodland section. Love it. Doesn't look too windy either, which is perfect. Doing a lap of Ridge Racer now, which is one of the longer runs here. Ooh, that's heavy. So some of the corners down the bottom are absolutely crazy. Down into a little drop. Coffin jump. Don't find it right. Some of my favourite corners. Bob. On this part of the trail I actually fell off the side of the cliff a couple of weeks ago. Oh, it's straight off the edge there. This run is so nice today. The rain's made it kind of grippy, but it's just nice to have a bit of sunlight for once. Whew. So just finished a run of Ridge Racer here, and I'm sure you can tell it's pretty warm, but it's absolutely beautiful. Look at that. So this is one of the corners on one of my favourite trails up here. The trail's called Ridge Racer because it runs all the way along the ridge, obviously. But these corners, I don't know if it will look that crazy on GoPro, but they are pretty steep and rocky, and it's just a lovely bit of tech. You come flying down through there, round the corner, and it's quite a flat corner at the bottom, so that's probably the techiest part, is trying to make it out of the corner and hold some speed. But I'll do this one again, try and do a little bit of running commentary on it, because I need to practice with that. As I go down, I'm going to try and be talking. Don't know how that's going to go, but give it a good go, see what happens. So yeah, I'll see you back at the top. So dropping in on ridge racing again. Let's get it. Two little tables here. What? Oh, sketchy. So step down around the corner, top of manual. Stop. So smooth. I love this trail because there's nothing too crazy, but the wind caught my front wheel there. The trouble with the crazy section, that. Oh, hope we'll go off that corner again, particularly. So much fun. Yeah, I forgot to mention it in the last bottom clip, but I managed to fall from all the way up there to here. I'll put a clip on, but
you good? Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained?
that was the sketchiest thing I've done, and I managed to just run it out, which was crazy lucky. I don't know if you can even see it there, but crazy. Poldice is a disused mine, so there's lots of mine shafts litter in the place, which is a little bit sketchy, but also kind of cool. So I figured this video would be a really good opportunity to just set the pace and talk about what content I want to create on this channel and what you guys are ultimately going to get out of it as well. So it's going to be mostly based around mountain biking. That's the main goal. I love mountain biking, been doing it for many years, so I figured it'd be great to start filming it. I'm going to be doing some tutorials, some like riding tutorials, some photography tutorials, because I've got a background in videography, photography, so it'd be really good to perhaps help you guys out with your edits if needs be, give some tips. I'm going to be doing some, it's so hot, going to be doing some mountain bike tutorials, like basic stuff like jumping, bunny hops, wheelies. I need to practice my wheelies myself, so it'll be a experience for both of us, or all of us should I say. But yeah, it's going to just mostly, well, it's going to all be mountain bike content, and it's going to be an experience, it's going to be an adventure, but I've been waiting a while to be able to do this, so now I've got the GoPro, going to hit the ground running. So yeah, let me know how I do. Obviously it's a work in progress. I'm going to hope to have 1 to 2 videos out a week, whether I'm currently furloughed, so when I go back to work it might just go down to 2, but to 1, sorry. But yeah, hoping I can take off with it really, and like get over some fears of talking to camera and hopefully make some cool stuff. So let me know what you think in the comments. Give me a sub, give me a like, tell me what I'm doing wrong. So I'm back at the top, gonna drop in on Bermature World, which is a nice set of berms, and then down into the meadow at the bottom. Here. Oh yeah, keep going. Hit the bottom there. Jungle table. That's always fun, that bit. I cannot explain how hot it is. It's so warm. Even the breeze doesn't really help. But I can't complain because it's usually raining in Cornwall, so we're just hitting Pinnet or Down to Brown. It's got 2 names. This wood section is sick. Really went off the side. Not hitting dirt bike. No sir. Let's try that little wheelie thing. Oh no. It's so loose. I love it. That top section is so much fun. Oh, foot slipped off the pedal there. What? Gonna try crossovers, but I'm not feeling too confident. Massive headwind. Oh, I don't know. They're not even that bad. I've done them before, but headwind is just terrifying. Just did my first little lap of fine line up here, which is quite some quite nice jumps. There is a little bit of a headwind, it feels like, but it's running quite nice. So this jump here is called Axe Wound, and it's pretty sizable. I put my bike in the middle for comparison, but it's pretty big. But I hit this one, first time I hit this, it was absolutely terrifying. And once you've done it, like all jumps, it wasn't even that bad after the first run. But this is on the axe line, and the axe line is the best line up here. It's so much fun. It's just constant jumpy, jumpy, jumpy. But yeah, I'm gonna go up top and hit this one, I think. While I'm here, this is my bike. It's a Scott Voltage FR710 2017. We're certainly got a bit grayer on the push up. It's like rain clouds. Hopefully it doesn't rain. It's also getting a bit windy, which isn't good for jumps, obviously. But here is one of those mine shafts I was talking about, which goes supposedly a few miles down, which is nice and sketchy, but also pretty cool. So I'm going to hit axe line and hope that in the hedge, and hope I don't get blown away on the big gap. Put big goggles on. Make sure the camera's angled the right way. Right, let's hit it. Nearly missed a jump. Oh, it's a little bit windy. Oh no, I don't trust the wind. Definitely don't trust the wind. You can look at those trees. Oh, I want to do it though. What a bummer. Oh well, I'm not gonna break myself on the first video, so I'll keep it sensible. I know it's boring, but better than destroying myself. it again. Hit the absolute. So windy. Too quick then. Those jokes so much. Go for a bite. Tight on that corner. See you later, boy. I love this set. So last run. That's probably the best one yet. Woohoo! I'm gonna go home, I think. Hella windy. Got loads of footage I need to sort out. Pretty good day for it. Shame about the wind. So I'm gonna roll on back to the car now. So that's the end of the first video. Thanks a lot for tuning in. I think it's going to be a bit of a learning curve with the whole talking to camera thing. Like right now it's probably really awkward, or it probably seems really awkward to me, but isn't necessarily that bad, but we'll see. It's going to come with some time. Obviously the more I make, the easier it will get, especially with the angles on the GoPro. First time shooting with the GoPro, so we'll see how that comes out. Yeah, so let me know what you think in the comments. Drop me a like and a subscribe if you want to see more of this, and I'll be making another video very soon, so keep them peeled, guys. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.